After plugged in, all the indicators on the machine will light once. Move the lock to the right, lift the lid, and insert the towel or blanket. Then move the lock back to secure it. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The work indicator and the 0.5-hour indicator will be on. Briefly press the timing button to cycle through the heating times. The corresponding indicator will turn on. When the internal temperature is below 120 Fahrenheit, the hot indicator remains off. When it exceeds 120 Fahrenheit, the indicator turns red, indicating that the inside of the bucket is unsafe to touch. After heating is completed, move the lock, open the lid, and remove the towel or blanket.